Hey everybody, here's another speed tour. The reason why I'm starting here is that this is where the parking stall is for your unit. So let's go ahead and take a look at this unit. Let's go ahead and take a look at this unit. By the way, this is the back entrance. There's the ocean. And let's go into the unit. All right, we're coming this way. We're coming this way. By the way, this unit's been remodeled down to the studs. Here's the kitchen, undermount sink. Ooh, gas stove, that's nice. All right, come back here to the bathroom. Ooh, look at this counter, that's nice. And they have this soundproof shower. How do I know it's a soundproof shower? Check it out. All right, back out here, toilet, yes. All right, coming out here. It's a 2-bedroom. Here's the first bedroom. And you know what's nice? This first bedroom has a lanai. And I'm contemplating life. Oh, it's so awesome. It's so beautiful. It's so peaceful. Okay, back to the tour. All right, here we go. Coming over there. Bedroom, check it out. Ceiling fan. Ceiling fan controls. All right, no way. A picture of a coconut tree and a beachfront property? No way. All right, coming over here. This is another master bedroom. But check it out. Adrian's going to go on that side. She's going to go that way. Then she's going back out. And then she's coming around. You know what's cool about this property is that you have a bedroom, and then you have privacy, and then you have an ocean view, and then you have privacy, and then an ocean view. All right. And again, I just wanted to stop by. Here's the dining room with the little business alcove over here. And they got a lanai. And then check it out. You got beach stuff. Beach stuff. Okay, enough with the beach stuff. All right, coming out here. And there's a pool. Look it, right off of your own lanai. Here's the pool, Adrian. Keep up with me. Keep up with me, Adrian. Keep up with me. And it's a secured pool. How do I know? Because look it, magnetic lock. And we come in here. And guess what? Adrian, you know in the pool, they got some live sea turtles. Should I save the sea turtles? Should I save them? Okay, here we go. We're gonna save the sea turtles. This water's pretty good. Okay, I gotta make sure not to get the microphone wet. Let's go out here and check out the ocean. Let's come in this way. This way, this way. Adrian, you gotta keep up with me. Come on. Let's go. We're going out to the ocean. We're going out to the ocean. This is crazy. Oh, wait, we're jumping in the pool. We're jumping in the pool. Look at Adrian. There's the window to our unit. And there's a bench you can sit in front. And there's the ocean. Should I go in the ocean? Should I go in the ocean? Yes.